student, are you ready to read the book? Let's start today's lesson, Maps and Globes. Look at the book. Yesterday we were read this lesson till here. Now we get start from here today. Do you know? One of the earliest flat maps was made in Babylon. This ancient city was near Baghdad in Iraq. The map was carved into clay. Second, Abraham Ortelius created the map of the world in 1574. Navigational instruments helped people to make more accurate maps. Maps are produced by cartographer. Cartography means the study of maps and the process of map making. Merits of maps. Maps tells us in a very simple way the size and shape of the countries and distances between places. A map may even show a smaller area with greater detail, such as exact location of houses and streets in a city neighborhood. Maps are easy to carry. Maps can show the location of different features like mountains, desert, forest, etc. Limitation of maps. The earth is round and round surface cannot be shown accurately on a flat sheet of paper. We can see the map of any place on the Google search with the help of internet. Do you know? Technology and computers have revolutionized the process of map making today. We can see the map of any place on the Google search with the help of internet. Types of maps. There are various types of maps. First, political maps. Maps which depict the political boundaries of countries and states and show their capitals are called political maps. Second, physical maps. Maps which depict physical feature like mountain, plains, plateaus, desert and rivers, etc. are called physical maps. Third, special maps. Maps showing features like vegetation, wildlife, population, industries, crops, soil, railways, roadways, etc. Do you know maps are created for many different purposes? Travelers use road map to plan routes for their trip. Meteorologists use weather map to prepare weather forecasts. City planners use maps of the city to plan which places in the city need schools, hospitals or parks. How maps differ from globes. Maps. Globe. A map is a flat drawing of the earth. A globe is round model of the earth. So it represents the shape and location of places in a better ways. A map can be used to show a small part of the earth. A globe shows the whole earth. It can show many details of that part of the earth. There is not enough space on the globe to show all the details which a map can show. A map can be easily carried with you. Globe. It is difficult to carry a globe around. The whole map can be seen together. Only half of the globe is visible at one time. We have to turn it to see the other half. To study and understand the information given on the map, we need to learn the language of map. Direction. To study a map, we need to know the direction. North, south, east and west are the four main cardinal directions. If we stand facing the map, the four main directions on a map are. ओके स्टूडेंट, आज के लिए इतना ही। मेरे अगले वीडियो में हम इसके आगे से रीड करेंगे बुक को। थैंक यू।